Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today, we're going to make a quick little saucy recipe. We're going to make a tartar sauce. That's all I'm making today, but this is going to be for another recipe. But this recipe here has got a little twist. Anyway, let's get to it. I think you're going to like it. And it tastes oh so good. You can use it for other things too. Okay, you guys know me. I'm a man of few ingredients. There's a bowl. Okay, so we'll start off. We have half a cup of mayonnaise and a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. This here is some white pepper. We're going to take a pinch of that. We're going to take a pinch of some dill weed. I don't know if you guys ever seen the capers, but this is kind of a jar they come in. And what I did was I rinsed off the briny flavor of them. I chopped up, it's about it's a little less than a tablespoon maybe, I don't know. Then here, I got 2 to 3 tablespoons of diced up dill pickles. So without further ado, let's hit this recipe because it's real quick. Okay, what we're going to do with this here recipe is just mix all this together. And like I said, this is going to be, we have some, have a grandson and his girlfriend visiting here with their daughter or whatever from Atlanta, and it's 4th of July week, I guess you can call it. 4th of July is coming up, but anyway, they came down, so I'm going to make a little something tomorrow. I can't tell you what it is, then you'll already know. You won't watch it, see? So as you can see, I got the yogurt and the mayonnaise plopped in there. You know, you can sit there and you want to stir this together, knock yourself out. I put it all in there. Here goes my capers. Now this is going to give you a little tangy punch in here. I like that, huh? Looks like a lot, but it's not really. Then my favorite part of the whole thing is these dill pickles. Now you take the dill pickles, and after you chop them up, then you get a little bit of the juice. So we're going to mix all this together right quick right now. And already it's smelling good. Now, I didn't put no salt in here, if you noticed that, you know, because these, between the capers and the dill pickles, I think we have enough of a salty kind of flavor. All right, so now, because this is like mostly white, I was going to put black pepper in here, but I like the white pepper, so we're going to do a little pinch of the white pepper. I don't even think that was a teaspoon, no, a quarter of a teaspoon. And the same thing with the dill. Dill, I like the flavor of the dill. I think that'll go good. See here, just a little bit. You don't want to go crazy with it because it does have a little nice aroma, fragrance. And it'll add a twang to your twang. But this is so easy, but it's a little healthier than most tartar sauces. And I have another one yet. That's even more healthier than this one. But, you know, I figure when you're eating tartar sauce, why be so healthy? Because you're going to eat some good fish or chicken, you know, something good, you know. So we don't want to go crazy, but we want to have fun. And here we are. And that's all there is to it, my friends. It's real quick, real simple, real easy. Okay, so I'm going to give this a little taste. Let you know just how it tastes. I'm not afraid to take a nice chunk. Wow. This is like over the top. So what I'm going to do, put this in the refrigerator till tomorrow. And I'm telling you, the flavor that's in here, you put that on any fish. I mean, shrimp, cod. You can dip some lobster in there. I think it would taste good. Fish sticks, for those of you that like fish sticks, that would be good. But yeah, that's it. So this is Mr. Dan saying stay healthy If you like the recipe, please give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And there's a little arrow down below the box. Below the video, you hit that, the drop down box will come down. That'll give you a link to our Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page, give you a link to my daughter's artwork page, and also give you a complete description of this little recipe here, the ingredients, and how we put it together. So, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back and we'll make you another delicious dip just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, and we are out.